Coordination Committee Jung Sarkar Sindrop Meghalaya Democratic Alliance Kabla Long Mantak Sngi Kalarai Van Punkot no Yakajing Kawangti But Kiseng Sen Prate by Trailang Kimday Banchpun Mi Kijing Tho Shabar Henry De Ban Pensingo Shwa Shaka Committee Yakajing E Balada Kishem Baka Committee Kamle E Kilaban Pensingo de Kumbaipan O Mitri Ramba Kajala Ubaderu Chairman ka Committee Ukonrat Kisama Ulong yakni hadim ulayatho bahak jingalang layatai sanibha ya ke jingkno persha de BJP ka badalang hak sarkar ulayatho ba ke MDA ka shim ya ke jingkno je BJP bakalong ka bomdan nongrim bad hak jingalang la persha ba baro ke jingkno ke detang ke jingkren jingkat to ka ningot ke briu hak baide ba ke jingkno bomsap hak artli ki autonomous council ka Giant Hills Autonomous Council but Garhul's Autonomous Council Ulong baka sarkar kala ada bentung ya ka kanon tokit ulai thuru bahak je kendo but National Vice President ka BJP barikmi ek party ya Meghalaya u Dr. M Chuba au ula pendikana baka BJP kan beteng banyetre lang barka sarkar MDA.
The members of the BJP are here, so I think that's more important. So it has been represented, the BJP is represented today, their members are here. And I think that's what matters. So, as I said, all the members and all the representatives of all the political parties, including independents, have been represented today in the MDA. All the members of the MDA felt that all these allegations were baseless. They have been very clear that if there are any issues or any concerns, then the concerned partners can always discuss with the Chief Minister and can bring it to the coordination committee, and felt that even the method and the way in which it was brought out was wrong and it shouldn't have been done. But as I said, we are not trying to rake up this issue anymore. We have decided as a coordination committee and as MDA to now move forward from all of this and now ensure that we work in a much more coordinated effort and way to ensure that no such communication gap is there in between the members of the MDA. It's very clear that that the allegations that are being brought out are just simply talks that few individuals have been doing. Now, just to clarify things, it is this government that has put in an audit inquiry into the GHEDC and the GHEDC for the last 10 years. We're looking into the entire aspect. So when they say that no action has been taken, we have met the Chief Minister, and nothing has been done. It's a complete lie, because we have instituted an inquiry. We have also ensured that to ensure that the entire process and working of the council would improve, that administrator where a very highest senior officer has been appointed out there, and that has ensured that now the reformations that are needed are going to be moved in a much faster pace. So all these actions have been taken. So in spite of all of that, just for the sake of coming out with statements, certain individuals decided to. But I think that's not important. We are just again, raking up the issue which is meaningless. The point being that we have had a very good meeting today. I had a very good meeting with the Vice President of the BJP, Dr. Au, who had come here to Shillong, and I'm very thankful to him for coming here and discussing this matter with me. We had a very good discussion in my residence, where he has assured that we will work together, and I told him that all these allegations and statements being made, there's not a problem for me. I'm not bothered about it, and I'm not taking it personally at all. And what is important for me too is to ensure that we all think in a positive manner and work together. So we had a very positive discussion, and he has assured me that he will ensure that the BJP and the other coalition partners, and I assured him that the other coalition partners, we will all work together to take the MDA and the state forward.